Hi, my name is Mell Goldman. I'm the CEO of ALL BORO. We are a one-source service company within restoration, remediation, and construction. We fix, build, and maintain commercial and residential properties throughout the New York metropolitan area. We partner up with people like K2 Mechanical, who provide all of our air conditioning and heating services to our customers throughout the New York area. 2013, Abid and I joined forces, K2 Mechanical. We give him all of our business, for the most part, most of our business, because he delivers what he promises. He gives great services. We became really good friends. We have common values and goals in business and in our personal lives, along with our families. My customers give me back great reviews. They really enjoy working with himself and his team. He services my real estate properties, and we have a very good relationship together. I would strongly recommend anybody that wants to work with a very good company and a good culture to give Abid and his team a call at the number on the screen located below.